This is the book I'm talking about.
Yeah, ma'am.
I told that when I'm talking about specific, I had given you some fill in the blanks like this is dash the book I was talking about. मैं यही किताब के बारे में बात कर रही थी. So क्या हो गया? उसने कहा that this is the book that I am talking about. Okay, good.
This is dash.
This is the car that I wanted my whole life.
This is the car. अभी मैं yes, this is the car that अभी देखो कुछ जगह में कभी बैठता नहीं. I now say my brother plays dash cricket. Abhi examiners are also very cunning sometimes. I both of you am asking. My brother plays dash cricket. तो cricket के आगे कुछ क्या
Yes,
होगा या होगा?
No, ma'am, there won't be anything. There won't be anything.
कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Yes. कुछ भी नहीं
Why?
होगा.
Why?
Why? Because cricket. This is the cricket match. It is the game. Game में आप specific, you cannot be specific. There is no vowels. My brother plays cricket. बस. I play badminton. I love to play chess. Why? Because yes. तो इसी को क्रिकेट से अगर द कैसे लगाओगे बोलो? If I say the cricket में what will you use?
Today is the cricket match.
Ma'am, I wanted to play that cricket match. I wanted to play that cricket match.
Yes, the cricket bat.
Cricket bat.
Like supposing Joginder is the captain of his cricket team. If I say Joginder is the captain of the cricket team, of his cricket team.
Joginder. Okay. No, ma'am, Joginder नहीं है Indian.
Why?
Joginder नहीं है ना. Indian cricket team में Joginder नहीं है.
अरे नहीं, simply I'm telling. Cricket Indian में हो simply I'm telling. कि if I put a name तो the cricket match कब होगा? Specific हो गया. So like okay, you all like to play games. तो अभी बोलो कुछ games के बारे में. See all the 40 minutes that I am talking now, you will also speak. Both of you use your head and speak. I'm just putting off the camera. You think and tell.
Varnika,
tell about you. What, ma'am? Tell about the cricket match.
Yes, about 5 years. You give 5, I give 2.
No, you give 5, I give 2.
No, I'm very
no, yeah, now see. Now what? A and the. So now talk about the में कुछ बोलते रहो. Then मैं जितना बोलोगे ना, then you will understand कि कहाँ we have to put the. So we have talked a lot.
I have visited the waterfall in India, which was really famous at that time.
Okay, very good. तो वो बोल रहे कि she has visited the waterfalls. So जैसे राजू you can say the roads outside are very big. This is a road. This is a road. ये रास्ता है. आप खिड़की से झांक के देखते हो. When you are looking outside, आप कहते हो कि this is a road. But if I say the roads are very broad, the roads are very broad here. कहाँ के roads? So no need of naming the place. तो उस जगह के roads, चेन्नई के रास्ते बहुत बड़े हैं, मुंबई के रास्ते बहुत बड़े हैं. Okay, so the roads. Specifically, you're talking. So we have talked a lot about the. So let's come back to and also sometimes. Now you all think and make few sentences. Chalo,
Ma'am,
whatever you want to.
I going to the India. This correct?
No, I going
Cricket.
to the Indian. I am going to India.
I going to India. Okay. Excuse me. Okay.
I am playing cricket. I am going to
I am
India.
I going to India. इसमें दा नहीं लगा सकता ना. Okay.
No, if you say the Indians,
The Indians. Okay.
हाँ,
The.
मैंने भी पढ़ा the Indians, the Europeans, the French.
The.
Now you all tell because I've been talking. I'll drink some water now.
Okay, ma'am. The. Anika,
So,
tell anything.
Ma'am, I'll tell one thing. Okay, I was just really thinking. The Indians were not allowed to play football, were not allowed to participate in football because people thought they didn't have shoes to play.
people thought what?
No, first one is the Indians were not allowed to participate in football.
Okay.
Okay. You can read one paragraph, then you will understand. So we will. So I think you have understood a lot about the and कहाँ use करते हैं. A vowels में A, E, I, O, U. Then instead of that you are using that also. तो vowels के बाद जो एक sentence में little we will go. So I think now if you make few sentences, then it will be easy, and we will then before winding the class will wind up. 2-4 sentences बोल दो दोनों मिलके.
Um, Ma'am, I got one.
हाँ tell.
Ma'am, I anticipated that I would get 98 in my maths final exam. In the maths final exam.
Yes. तो वो कहती है कि वो मैथ्स के जो फाइनल एग्जाम है, तो द मैथ्स फाइनल मतलब यही जो ये जो आने वाली मैथ्स फाइनल एग्जाम है, शी विल गेट 98. दैट मींस वर्णिका यू आर वेरी गुड एट मैथ्स.
Yeah, ma'am, I love it.
Oh, love it. 98 में से you are a good scorer in maths in the class.
Yeah, ma'am, yes, totally.
Very good. So you are taking maths as the subject which you are interested. Maths
Yeah.
as the subject. So Rajul, now communicate like what you want to say before leaving.
What I see?
Before leaving the class.
Ma'am.
Something in the class. Every day when you're listening and learning, wind up by saying that what learned, so it will come to your memory also. how you have used. So Varnika, you just say, then Raju will hear.
Ma'am, can you pardon, please?
No, I'm saying that whatever we have learned, just tell that yes, today we have learned A and the how to use and like this. So in this
Okay,
manner,
okay.
we're
Ma'am,
talking also and
articles are
conversing also.
basically used before a noun. And for instance, there are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Let's not go into them. Now, and an, we use in front of the consonants, which are all the letters except A, E, I, O, U. And we use an in front of the vowels, which is A, E, I, O, U. Then when we come to definite, uh, definite, there's the. There, it's like we use the front of the word or the noun when we are specific about that particular noun, that there's only that specific noun and there's nothing else other than that. Like the Prime Minister, the New Delhi is the capital of India. Then I then yeah, like those. There's only that particular thing, and there's no other thing you want to do at that specific moment, or the things which is. Then when we come like universal facts also, like the sun rises in the east, no one can change that. So the earth is revolving around the sun. That's also a universal fact.
Yes, very good. तो यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट के बारे में हम बाद में और बात करेंगे कि जो कभी कभी ना like there are certain things they are giving, so you have to change, but if you use your head, अगर आप आपके दिमाग लगाओगे तो you will understand that some things cannot be changed. ये जो है ना जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगी. The sentence remains the same. Okay, Rajul, have you understood? थोड़ा बहुत मतलब you are all entering into the department of learning. So मैं यही कहूंगी कि learning is never ending process. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही
how can possible learn same Varnika talking very fluent? Yes, me कैसे सीखूं? Yes.
See, I will tell you one thing.
Because in my school, we are only allowed to speak English and no other language.
Okay.
See, one thing. I will tell you this question. Like, Rajul, maybe you were not learning English in your school before, but now you are gradually learning. मतलब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से आप learn कर रहे हो. So that is
Yes.
only, you should think that is only बहुत है आपके लिए. मतलब if you are getting 3 out of 10, क्या पता earlier it was 0 out of 10. Now understood. So you will not do any comparison. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. और वर्णिका अपने जगह पे है, जैसे वो स्कूल में पहले से इंग्लिश बोलती है, इंग्लिश स्कूल में पढ़ती है, सो वो इम्प्रूव कर रही है और भी और सीख रही है. So both of you are going well, and okay, the most important thing is that whenever you listen to some things, it comes to your mind, and bolte bolte hi your mind will throw out that thing in a manner of what? Words and expressions. तो अगर मैं जो बोल रही हूँ, from where am I talking? I also don't know. Why? Because my mind and memory is such a thing which stores lots of it. I one thing many students tell me when I am now to presently I'm doing your classes, so all through earlier, I'm talking about earlier stages, कि मैम हम लोगों ने तो इतना पढ़ाई की, क्या मुझे याद रहेगा? मतलब खुद पे विश्वास नहीं होता कि पता नहीं, we are तो reading and studying, but can we remember? So memory needs practice. And during the exams क्या था, वही चीज जो है ना हिट करता है, वही टाइम पे वो निकल जाता है ब्रेन से. Okay, did you get my point? So that is very interesting. So like that only, when you are learning, you will also learn. So thank you so much. That's why I've told to wind up. So it's 1 hour class, and we will also take leave, and we will meet on Monday. Okay, as per MS Tutors that we are having class from Monday to Friday. So the whole week we had done nicely, and thank you both of you. You have a great weekend. Till then we meet on Monday. Okay, so bye bye both of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.